చాలా కష్టపడ్డాడండి. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అయినా ఏదైనా వాళ్ళ డాడీ చాలా చిన్న ఏజ్లో ఎక్స్పైర్ అయ్యారు. అలానే వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్ కూడా చాలా కష్టపడ్డాడు. అతను ఇక్కడ వరకు వస్తాడని అసలు ఎవ్వరూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. అసలు ఎవ్వరు నెగ్గలేదు. ఎక్కడ చాలా
real celebration seeing him on the screen. We felt really happy from the very bottom of our hearts, and we've celebrated this family movie. Thank you. Everyone must watch it. It's a must-watch movie, and we have enjoyed the comedy thoroughly. Thank you.
It's an amazing movie. It's a fresh content in the Telugu cinema itself, and it does not look like a first timer at all. The direction, the acting, the comedy timing, the story, every first time, and it was houseful, and we just thoroughly enjoyed it.
I have seen the team work behind the scenes, and they had so many sleepless nights, and they put in so much work. The production is first, it's new production. The actors are getting first, and at least Ram Kiran, he's acting the first